In this video, I'm going to be going over how to assemble this from the broken anvil pattern for this 1911 inside the waistband holster. As you can see, it is a double clip, but with leather loops instead of actual metal clips. This makes it a little bit easier to adjust and not as rigid as a metal clip holster is. Now, I used 8 to 9 ounce leather. This is the Eurobend from Tandy. I actually work with this leather a lot. It's really easy to form, really easy to tool. It does a lot of things really good, and it's generally very clean. If you look on the back, we've made sure to not press our mag release. If you look at the front, I've completely covered the trigger. I've completely covered the ejection port. These are really important things when you're making holsters. And on the top, we've left a nice sight channel so that it can be drawn very quickly and easily. Just a couple of tips. If you're using a blue gun that's not prepped, like this, then I recommend gouging a line down the center of the slide so you can put something in there for a sight channel. If you're buying prepped blue guns or prepped holster molds, remember that they are going to have a couple of little things because when they prep them for Kydex, not for leather, and leather's a little bit more forgiving. If you're using a live weapon, make sure that you are wrapping it up and protecting it from the moisture in the holster when you're forming. I will put a full tool and material list in the description of this video. Now, let's get to it.